Assalamu alaikum friends, this is Mahnoor. Today you will know some extremely amazing facts about Facebook Metaverse. So, without wait, let's get started. Everyone wants to own the Metaverse, including Facebook and Microsoft. But what does that even mean? Today I'll tell you 10 amazing facts about Facebook Metaverse. Facebook Metaverse is not just what you'll be looking at through your screens, but you'll be walking through it. You'll be inside it. With a snap of finger, you'll be with your friends. You'll be actually there, attending meetings and concerts and parties, etc. To combine your physical and your virtual world, Facebook provides you with virtual reality headsets. This new Facebook Meta will fulfill all your deep desires. You can wear any clothes you want, you can change your whole physical appearance, and you can be at any place you want at any time you want. This seems so impossible. In Facebook, you represent yourself with an image, but in Meta, you represent yourself with a fully living 3D depiction of you, an avatar. Did you ever wish you were a bit taller? Now you can be. Did you ever wish you had a thinner nose? Now you can have one. You can be any gender you want, any creator you want. In Meta, Googling will be considered really old-fashioned. You'll be able to know about things only by touching them. You'll be able to travel not just to any place, but at any time. And can you imagine? You'll be actually able to experience living in the Stone Age. Meta is now working on electromyographic or EMG, which can detect and intercept your nerve impulses. You'll be able to text someone by just thinking about moving your fingers. This seems so impossible. Meta is launching a headset next year named Cambria. The headset will be so comfortable and the display will be so close to your eye resolution that you wouldn't even feel that you're wearing a headset. It would feel so real. So here you go. These are the 10 amazing facts about Metaverse. If you want to know more, stay with me and I'll tell you even more about Metaverse and plus the earning opportunities you're looking for. Till then, Allah Hafiz.